Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we are going to walk through how to update your laboratory safety plan. To begin, navigate to the Laboratory Safety Plan web application. You can access the application from the EHS homepage under EHS Applications and Compliance Portal, Laboratory Safety Plan. You will need your Onion credentials to log into the portal. Once you log on, select the appropriate PI from the drop-down list and click Continue. This will take you to the main menu. You will see a few headings titled Lab Personnel and Training, Plans in Process, Plans Pending Approval, and Approved Plans. You will also see a button that says Create a new plan. In this video, we will be updating an existing plan. We will show you how to create a new plan in a different training video. Under the Approved Plans heading, we will click Update next to our plan to begin. You will be asked if you want to create a new work in process version of the plan. Click Yes. On the next screen, you will select the applicable hazards for each room in your laboratory. Each hazard is briefly outlined at the bottom of the page. For this example, we will select hazardous chemicals and equipment, radioactive materials, and biological safety level, BSL 1. If there are multiple laboratory spaces, you will need to add each room by clicking the Add Room button at the bottom of the page and select the hazards applicable to each room. Once the room entry information is completed, click the Save and Continue button. Let's continue to the next step. The Laboratory Safety Plan has various sections called schedules based on the hazards you selected on the Room Use Entry page. In this case, our plan has a Schedule A for general lab information, a Schedule B because we indicated hazardous chemicals and equipment, a Schedule C because we indicated radioactive materials, and a Schedule F because we indicated biohazards. In order to submit your plan, all schedules on the Schedule Selection page must have a green checkmark in the adjacent checkbox, indicating that the schedule has been completed. Now we will progress to the Schedule A Project Information form. On the next screen, you will enter your contact information along with contact information for the lab safety supervisor or safety officer. If you do not have a designated lab safety supervisor, you can select yourself and re-enter your contact information. Note that you must be listed as either the principal investigator or the safety supervisor to make edits to the lab safety plan. Note also that the company name section will not apply to most labs, but should be completed if you have a facilities use agreement with the university. On the next screen, you will specify the location of your lab's chemical hazard information. This information can be stored in the physical laboratory space or online. The main objective of this screen is to ensure that all lab personnel have access to safety information at all times. For our example, the location of the chemical hazard information will all be online. Next, we will upload floor plans for our lab space. You must have a floor plan for each room listed on your lab safety plan that includes information relevant to emergency responders. This includes the location of large equipment, sinks, chemical storage areas, waste accumulation areas, emergency equipment, and food areas. You can use any program to make your floor plan, whatever works best for you. To upload a floor plan, simply select a file and click the Attach Floor Plan button. Next, we will upload a Standard Operating Procedure, or SOP, for the lab. Certain equipment, chemicals, or procedures may require an SOP. For our example, we will submit an SOP for formaldehyde use by selecting the file, and clicking the Upload SOP file button. And this brings us back to the Schedules page of the Lab Safety Plan app and concludes our tutorial on updating the Schedule A form. In the next video, we will review how to update the Schedule B form. Thanks for watching.